Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix ruler of the land game not loading or not working, keep stopping, lagging, crashing or other issues on Android phone. So let's jump to the solutions. The very first method is to restart your phone once. So for that, press the volume up plus power button and restart your phone. Once your phone restart, now check whether it's working or not. If not, next solution is to force stop the app. For that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on app info and then click on force stop and then click on OK. So this will force stop the app. Now after that, try to open the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, you should clear the cache of the game. For that, click on storage and cache and then click on clear cache. And after that, now open the game and check whether it's working. If not, you should check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for ruler of the land. Now here you should check if any update is available. If there is any update, update your game to the latest version, and after that try to play it and check if you can play it without any kind of issues or so. If the issue continues, you should check if your internet connection is stable or not. If it's fluctuating, you are suggested to check or restart your router, or if you're using mobile Wi-Fi, then go to mobile data or do vice versa and then try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, you are suggested to reinstall ruler of the land game once again. So for that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on the delete icon and then click on uninstall. So after the game is removed, now go to again Google Play Store once again, and in the search option search for the ruler of the land and click on install option, and once the game is installed again, click on the play button and check whether it's working or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.